Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this biscuit at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this shortbread at home. If you are interested, keep watching. So I'm starting up with 2 cups of flour, and then next I'm going to be adding 1 cup of icing sugar. So I filtered the sugar, the icing sugar, because we don't want it to have lumps on it. Next, I'm going to mix it up nicely. If you're a lover of biscuits and you're the type that love to try new things at home, I think this video is for you. Next, I'm going to be adding my vanilla because I want it to have a little bit of vanilla flavor. So I added 2 spoons of vanilla flavor. You can use whichever flavor of your choice. It's still going to be amazing. So next, I'm just going to mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing the vanilla flavor inside the dry flour, next I'm going to be adding my butter. So I try to melt the butter a little bit because our weather is getting cooler. So I decided to melt it in the microwave before I use it. Next, I'm going to mix up the ingredients together until I can no longer see the whitish flour. So you mix it up until the butter covers the flour. So guys, at this point, I'm going to be using my hands to mix it up until I get the texture I really wanted. So you cannot do away without using your hands. At some point, you are going to use your hands to mash it up together nicely. So as you can see, I've mashed it up to the point I think it is okay for me. So next, I'm just going to place it in a flat surface and then flatten it as if I am making meat pie. But on this one, you don't need to flat it the way you flat your meat pie. Remember, we are making biscuit, not meat pie. So once I'm done doing this, next I'm going to be using my shape cutter to cut it. If you don't have shape cutter, you can also use your knife or you use your fork to do your own design the way you want it. But since I have shape at home, I'm going to be using the different shapes I have to cut it. So when I cut it, I'm just going to lift it up like you're seeing now and then gently place it in my baking tray. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to be putting it in the oven. So at this point, I have already turned on my oven. My oven is already heated. So when I put it in the oven, I am going to reduce the heat because we don't want the biscuit to get burnt. So next, I'm going to be using my fork to give it a little bit of design. I want it to have that biscuit vibe. If you know, you know. So once I'm done doing this, next I'm going to pop it in the oven and I allow it to bake for 20 minutes. Remember, I've already set my oven in a high heat and then I reduce it. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. It tastes amazing. I love the color. Name it, guys. This biscuit is amazing. If you're the type that love to drink tea and you love to eat biscuit, I think this is for you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you love this video. And if you are going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all on my next one. Bye.